Hello wonderful people, welcome once again to A Fierce Twist. Today I'm sharing with you all the secrets you will need to elevate your chicken wings in this honey garlic chicken wing recipe. This recipe will create the right crunch, flavor and texture that you need. Starting off, I already cleaned and dried my chicken wings, and these are my ingredients to season my chicken. I'll be using some black pepper, salt, chicken seasoning, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and olive oil. I'll mix this up until everything is well incorporated, and then I'll marinate this for an hour. So I'm lining my baking pan with aluminum foil and spraying this with cooking spray for easy cleanup. So it's time to place my chicken wings on the baking pan. I already preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I'll be baking this for 40 minutes. 20 minutes on one side and 20 minutes on the other side. We want our chicken to be cooked evenly. These are our ingredients to make our honey garlic sauce or honey garlic glaze. In an empty bowl, I'll add some melted butter, honey, minced garlic, minced ginger, brown sugar, and some soy sauce. I'll mix everything together and set this aside. It's already 20 minutes and we'll be checking on our chicken and flipping it over. We'll allow this to cook for another 20 minutes on this side. Look how appetizing this chicken looks. We will be microwaving our honey garlic sauce or glaze in the microwave for 30 seconds. Pour this over our chicken and mix everything together. And friends, you know, here in the Fierce Twist, it's all about the flavor. We want every bit of this honey garlic sauce to be infused in our chicken. So we are going to put this back into our oven and broil this for another 5 minutes. This will allow our sauce to caramelize and stick better on the chicken wings. With the help of our kitchen brush, we will try as much as possible to introduce more of this glaze or sauce onto our chicken. I'll be chopping some fresh parsley and using this to garnish my chicken wings. Friends, our wings is ready to be served. I will say this is perfection. And friends, is your mouth watering? Because my mouth is watering and I can't wait to take a bite. This chicken was so flavorful. It had its crunch on the outside and the juices locked inside. It tasted so delicious. Friends, you should definitely try this recipe. And the flavors from the glaze was so good. I hope you are inspired to try this recipe. Staying with me on this one, if it's your first time here, welcome to Effia's Twist. Remember to subscribe to this channel, share and like this video. Until I see you guys in the next one, have a good week and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.